right, I'm gonna take Winter's Coming, and I am going to do a thin coat. And I'm going to do essentially a thin coat and then a second layer of all the colors here. And I will make sure to insert them when I use them. Her armor. We have Weirwood. Naked and Famous, which is more of a taupey cream. Misty, which is this really pretty cream. I am going to matte top coat these before we get on to the nail art. Y'all know I like to give this a second before I cure it to kind of even out. Alright, going to wipe it off even though it doesn't need to be wiped off. I just like it for good measure. These are the colors we are working with. I am going to be doing a cooler look, so a silver. So I took a silver, a black, and a white, and I might do some sugaring. And so I grabbed the Magpie glitter in Blossom. All right, so I'm going to take the liner brushes from Bellavina, and I mean, look at how pigmented that is. So for me, I kind of like to get some of it off the brush. I'm gonna load it up actually just a little bit more so I can lay it down, and then I kind of twist my brush. So it might be hard to see. So when I'm going through there, I'm twisting. And this is going to be very abstract. I don't really have a plan for it. I'm not gonna lie. So bear with me. To be honest, I'll probably fast forward this because it's just going to be like little trees. So I'm gonna fast forward so you guys don't sit here forever. right, now that those are all on and cured, I'm going to look at it and see where I want to add some sugaring. But I love that these are glossy, but I also think I might want them matte. I'm gonna take Young Nails, like tiny, tiny, tiny detailer brush, and I'm just dipping it into the same white paint. I decided not to sugar them because I'm obsessed with the matte and glossy. So I know this was a pretty easy one, but I love it and I wanted to show you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.